Yes, so in this tutorial, we'll go through how we can do cross-browser testing with Selenium and Java. So this is the flow that we want to cover for today. So the first step is we want to type the browser that we want to use, either Firefox, Edge, or Chrome. Then the next step is we want to test the navigation to Google's website with the specified browser. Okay, so the prerequisites for this are that the first thing you need to do is you need to download the browsers first. So you have to make sure that you have Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Google Chrome as well. And after that, then you will have to download the web drivers for them as well. So for Gecko driver is for Firefox, Edge driver is for Microsoft Edge, and Chrome driver is for Google Chrome. Okay. Now once you have done that, you will import these classes. So you'll need the web driver class, the Chrome driver, Firefox driver, and the Edge driver classes for this tutorial. Okay, then we'll move on to the main method. So the first thing we want to do is we want to define the browser type to use for testing. So you can change the value to Firefox or Edge as you need it on. So for now, I will put in Chrome and then I'll show you what it looks like later. Okay, so the next step is to declare your WebDriver variable, but this will be initialized later. So just declare a WebDriver variable called driver. Then after that, we will use a switch statement to initialize the WebDriver based on the chosen browser. Okay, so this is the input that we entered earlier, the browser. So we will do a check to see if it's either Firefox, Edge, or Chrome. So if it's Firefox, we will initialize the driver, initialize Firefox WebDriver if it's Firefox, and then we will print out opening Firefox as a confirmation that it's opening Firefox. Okay. Similarly for Edge, if the input was Edge, then we will initialize Edge WebDriver and then print confirmation that it's opening Edge. And if it's Chrome, then it will initialize the Chrome driver and then print confirmation that it's opening Chrome. Okay. Then moving on after that happens is we will then go to the Google's homepage using driver.get, and then we will also print the title of the page. So we will use driver.get title to print the title of the current page, and we will print that navigation to Google is successful. Okay, so once this is done, then we will ensure the browser is closed after execution. So we'll use driver.quit. Okay, now let's run this. So earlier on I typed this as Chrome. So when I run this program, it should be opening Chrome. See that open Chrome, and in the console you can see it says opening Chrome. This is the Google homepage title, and then it says navigated to Google successfully. Okay, so let's test for Firefox and also Edge. So Firefox first, and that open Firefox, and the console says opening Firefox. Navigation was successful. And then also try for Edge. So Edge opened, and it says opening Edge, and title Google navigated to Google successfully. Okay, so that's how we can do cross-browser testing with Selenium.